Namaste student. Myself Jevin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. My subject is Microbial Biology Lab. So today's session is use of microscope and slide setup. Then correction of permanent slide and observation of microscopic slide. So first of all we will discuss what is microscope. Microscope is an instrument used to see objects that are too small for the naked eye. What are the properties of microscope? A good microscope should have at least three properties. It should have good resolution, good contrast, and good magnification. What is good resolution? Resolution power refers to the ability to produce separate image of closely placed objects so that they can be distinguished as two separate entities. The resolution power of unaided human eye is about to 0.2 mm. So light microscope is about 0.2 micrometer. Electron microscope is about 0.5 nanometer. Immersion oil has a higher refractive index than air, hence, use of oil enhances the resolution power of a microscope. What is good contrast? Contrast is improved by staining a specimen. When the stain bind to the cells, the contrast is increased. Good magnification. So ocular lens with a magnification power of 10x, objective lens that is scanning 4x, low power that is 10x, high power that is 40x, and oil immersion that is 100x. So total magnification of a field of a product of the magnification of objective and ocular lens is scanning field, low power field, high power field, and oil emulsion that is 40x, 100x, 400x, and 1000x. So now we will discuss the types of microscope. So there are following types of microscope, that is bright field microscope or light microscope, dark field microscope, phase contrast microscope, fluorescence microscope, and electron microscope. So what is bright field microscope or light microscope? Light microscope form a dark image against a brighter background, hence the name bright field microscope. The next, it is mechanical part like base, C-shaped arm, mechanical stage, and that magnifying part are ocular lenses, objective lenses. And illuminating parts are condenser, iris diaphragm, light source, fine and adjustment knob. Then next, what are the principle of light microscope? The rays emitted from the light source pass through the iris diaphragm and fall on the specimen. The rays passing through the specimen is gathered by the objective and the magnified image is formed. This image is further magnified by the ocular lens to produce the final magnified virtual image. Then next we will discuss what is dark field microscope. So in the dark field microscope, the object appears bright against a dark micro background. It is made possible by spatial dark field condenser, hence the name dark field microscope. Principle of dark field microscope is the dark field microscope condenser has a central opaque area that blocks light from entering the object lens directly and has a peripheral annular hollow area which follows the light to pass through and focus on the specimen obliquely. Only the which is reflected by the specimen are the objective lens, whereas the unreflected light does not enter the objective. So what are the applications? Dark field microscope is used to identify the living unstained cells and thin bacteria like spirochetes, which is cannot utilized by the light microscope. Next is phase contrast microscope. As for name, in phase contrast microscope, the contrast is enhanced. The microscope visualizes the unstained living cells by creating difference in contrast between the cell and water. It converts slight differences of refractive index. So its principle is the condenser is similar to the dark field microscope, consists of an opaque central area with a thin transparent ring which produces a hollow cone of light. So what are the summary of the application? The light rays go through a condenser and then specimen and then phase ring and then objective lens to ocular lens. So what are the application? So to study unstained living cells, detailed examination of internal structure in living organism, microorganism, to study flagellal movement and motility of bacteria and protozoan, to examine fungi grown in culture. Next is fluorescence microscope. It refers to any microscope that uses fluorescence property to generate an image. Its principle is when fluorescent dyes are exposed to ultraviolet rays, they become excited and are set to fluorescence, that they convert the they convert this invisible short wavelength rays into light to of longer wavelength, that is visible light. So what are the application? EP fluorescence microscope and autofluorescence. Next is electron microscope. An electron microscope uses accelerated electrons as a source of illumination because the wavelength of electron can be up to 100,000 times shorter than that of visible light photons. The electron microscope has a much better resolving power than a light microscope. Electron microscope are of two types: transmission electron microscope, scanning electron microscope. So it have negative staining power and shadowing power. You can see. So it have there are rules of using a microscope. Always carry with two hands. Only use lens paper for cleaning. Do not force knob. Always store covered. Be careful to the cords. Thank you. It's all about the microscopy. So why do we use microscopy? To see things that are too small to see with our eyes or even with a hand lens. Microscope are able to identify bacteria and other disease causing organisms. So what are the slide? To look something under a microscope, it needs to be very thin. This is because light needs to pass through the specimen. The specimen is first placed on a glass slide, which is obviously see-through. The specimen is covered with a cover slip. This is really thin piece of glass. We will make our own slide soon. So what is permanent slide? This is permanent slide of a stem in which we, make a permanent slide or a unpermanent slide of a microorganism or a specimen we have to see in the microscope. So all microscope need a source of light, as we already discussed the types of microscope. So this is all about microscope. How we make a slide uh, uh, with the help of slide. So this is all about the uh, use of microscope and slide setup. If you have any query regarding this, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.